Hi everyone. Today Tuesday. I pick up Georgi and we're going to the Market Mall first. He want to take ICR card. And also we want to buy meat in Landers. And we're going to our home for barbecue. Georgi want to take a new ICR card. How long time need to make this card?
They tell me 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Today exactly 3 weeks.
Oh, okay.
We were in Tuesday 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
So it's already expired in December. But because I go in Thailand in December and in March again in Thailand, so I cannot get this card.
So you live in the Philippines without ICR card 6 months?
No, not 6. From December.
No, from December, yes, already May. Okay, let's go. Georgi, take a look and test how long? 3 meters maybe. Anton. We walk to Market Mall from Landers because I don't want to park near Market Mall. It's not easy to find for motor place. That's why it's better park in Landers and walk little bit to Market Mall. Already Georgi start rainy season. Every day same weather, same cloudy, sometimes rain. China Bank, but it's not China Bank. China Bank different logo. Ah, it's Italian restaurant.
Yes.
Italian restaurant. You've been before? No. Okay, Georgi, just come back and message to me. Here also have coffee bean. Coffee bean. Another coffee. How much cookies? Cookies 99 peso. Okay. Ramen also have. Puteria. Ramen outside. Market Mall residence. Jeepney going to Angeles City. Pandan. To Pandan. Balibago Street and Lex this way. Pandan. This way to Pandan. Pandan it's Angeles City. Near Angeles City. This is entrance of Landers. Entrance and exit. Superstore. So what, medicine, Georgi?
It's Australian.
This one, yeah? Okay. Okay. It's good wine. I like also. Here so many. White wine, different kind of wine. Whiskey. Ah, you want to buy coffee. Did you try before already?
Yes.
It's good?
For me, yes. If I am sleepy, I drink one bottle. And feel
If you want,
better.
you can buy more, not problem. No, one more. But I know you ordered before in through internet, online store same.
Yes,
But better buy online or offline here.
If I order in internet, I pay 100 peso for pick up everything and about 100 for delivery. So if I order in internet, I need to buy
Many.
many, for example, not many things, but I need to spend 3 or 4,000
Okay.
because I pay 200. It doesn't matter how much I buy, I pay
It's depend on
100.
amount, yeah?
100 for pickup, for and 100 for delivery.
Pick up and delivery different.
Pick up, I mean to the person who will take everything what I order and put it in the bag.
Okay. Okay, so we will go to buy meat. For barbecue, today barbecue.
Yes, yes.
Pork. How much pork? 360.
Yes, 380.
388 peso 1 kilo.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Cheese we can find. Cheese. Oh, close. So many cheeses close.
Nino.
Need to buy different cheese. We can give to Shaira to try. Don't have cheese. How much?
311.
312. Yes. Okay, let's go. We just finished buying Landers our foods, and we will do barbecue today in our home in Terrace. Shaira already waiting us at home. She finished work already and waiting in the home. We use motor. We going to shortcut to Magalang Road. We not use Angeles Road. We going to Magalang Road to Mabalacat City. So we going to Magalang Road right now. Mabalacat. Болот, духов. road now. Oh, you buy charcoal?
Yes.
How much charcoal here?
20 to 15 pesos.
15 peso?
Yes.
Ah, 50 peso.
15.
15 only peso. How many kilograms?
I don't know, it's so many.
So many.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Georgi already inside.
Don't have power.
How long time already?
1 hour?
Ah, 1 hour don't have power?
Yes, but we don't know how long is it. Don't have what?
Maybe
don't-
2, maybe 3 hours.
Yes, maybe
Why?
3 hours.
Why you not check on internet?
No, it's unexpected. You say to me last night, right? Don't have power for 3 hours. So
Yeah.
This time don't have power.
Okay.
That's why my family sit here. It's so hot. So it's not easy for the children if it's so hot.
More hot in the
No, it's not hot here.
Not hot.
Smoke. Maybe need to flip already.
No, not need now. More wait.
Okay. Have like this one. Tong. It's good weather right now, and Leon and Georgie bought some meat, and we just barbecue here and eat and drink some wine. And sorry for our terrace right now because it's under repair, because we first repaired the first floor before here.
But we have new fish. Before have only 4, and now 5 is a small fish. It's already 5 fish in aquarium. soon we will repair. That's why a little bit dirty. How about meat, Shaira?
Good. Not
Good.
salty.
You try this as cheese. Georgi, what name of cheese?
I don't remember. Parmalon or something.
I have in the video. Maybe someone.
Parvalon,
Okay.
something like this.
Shaira, how about cheese?
Oh, it's good.
Good?
Yes.
We always buy different cheese.
This is the cheese I like.
You like
I
this cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Up before?
No, I want this one.
Ah, you like this cheese?
Yes.
Shaira not drink wine, but we drink this wine. Good meat.
Yes. Juicy.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.